Hey Tuba, did you know RBI actually makes money when it prints currency?
Wait, what? How does printing money lead to profit? Isn't it just making cash?
Not exactly. This is where the concept of seigniorage comes in.
Seigniorage? What's that?
Let me explain. Seigniorage is basically the profit central bank like the RBI earns when it prints currency. For example, when RBI prints rupees 500 note, then the actual cost of production is just a few rupees. But when it comes into the market, its worth is around 500 rupees.
Oh, so the difference between the actual production cost and its face value becomes RBI's profit.
Exactly, and get this, the RBI is actually a not-for-profit organization.
Hold on, if RBI is not for profit, where does all this money go?
Oh, this is where it gets interesting. RBI uses its profit in two key ways.
Two ways, let's hear it.
First, RBI sets aside a part of its profit as reserves. Think of it like an emergency fund. These reserves are used during recessions, financial crisis, and emergency conditions, and when things get rough. For example, RBI can release these reserves to manage liquidity in the economic condition.
So it's like a financial safety net for the country.
Now, the second part. RBI transfers rest of its profit to the government of India. This money is then used for infrastructure, public welfare, and development projects that benefit everyone.
Wow, so RBI's profit are like secret weapons. One part for emergencies and one part for nation's growth.
Oh, did you know? In financial year 2023, RBI made a staggering profit of around 2.20 lakh crore rupees.
2.20 lakh crores? That's incredible. The RBI truly works behind the scene to keep economy balanced and thriving. Mind blown? If you found this interesting, follow for more insights.